boleh jumpa Fibro, kita tip nam tak kubur like kam, tapi kini kam kita like kedai baik ka direct interview, walk-in interview, tapi kini ka advertisement lah penmi haka arpo terik, te wanam soye ngam lah penmi kam keloi, te ka last date man submit kedai arpo terik yaki application ki jongpi, kini kedai po office of the district session judge Shillong ma, kini district office of the district and session judge Shillong. Te kita buat tip kadon hai kena ke office kadon hajan DC office hajan Shillong hi ani hapo jan high court hi kadon hang tu hi te phla ban lek hang tu ban submit iki application gyong phi mo offline be ban submit mar ban submit choi ke application te kisa check ikino gi balong ban shortlisted na ikino balong ban reject te kade be direct interview dengan puli kat kum kene ka advertisement ya kene pelmi arpo tarik te last shai ka last date ban submit te kan mau ban next submit la play ya kene menta te last shai phap ban biang gi document gyong phi select submit. The office of the undersigned invite application in standard form. Kan mau ka standard form ibu empat tip haban naik ne download napo Google so kiyo hi ka standard form na fi tit napo cyber sa pandap iki detail gbe hang tu. Who are citizen of India for filling up the vacant post on contractual in a debit contract for 3 months which may be extended. Kinsa extend mede kat kum ka jing tere jufi subject to availability of fund under the scheme kat kum ka jing don ka fund kanang don ka tanang ne Nalalut ka fund mdon show. Under the scheme, National Mission of Safety of Women Fast Track Special Code Nirbhaya Fund. Tenam tak kini ke scheme te kin halin live nai kin sa renew lada kanang don ka fund ma. Te ki post ki balaj ki long te baro ki don kana tali kini number vacancy we are lai sau san tali ki vacancy baro. Te ki post ki long kan name of the post ke stenographer. Te stenographer la tip hi stenographer have the any graduate Pidai kan nok bachelor degree from any recognized university. Tang ba pidai ban dapat ke diploma in stenographer. Stenographer ni batho short yaki contain kan phaban dalek ke diploma ik tang ki balalek kitib ya kata. Te tang gitu hi ki balek ki yo ban apply nam taga stenographer. Katulok pada live ho jar sibnai ke age ke dai khat prah do live news nem nam tagi STSC. Te ka date of receipt of application kan dai R4 September sengap bahai ka tarik rapidly. R4 tarik September ada apply from 11 AM to 4 PM. Khatway baje step hadu sau baje janmit. Last date lashai. Mau date of receipt of application. Tang lashai hi kin shim kin nom isu e tarik. Te ka date and place of interview bade kin submit hadin phaban check hi hapo kan ka website. Nang sabu kan ka website ru sa check hi napo kan ka Shillong website kan ka district and session judge court Shillong website sa check hi nang tu sabu po description ru ka link. Thank you sabu. Sa kawai pa Lower Division Assistant LDA kane la tang kawai ka post bachelor degree from any recognized university tang ba pidi bandon bedai ka computer knowledge with knowledge in computer phap bandon the MEU certificate course and 6-month course kunta tater and diploma pidi bandon ya kata in computer and typing speed of 30 words per minute kan mau te ka tulop jong kane kalong arp san hajar kasnem ka debe kharpra du live news nem kapor register ka debi kumju ar tarik be jabaro kini khatwai beje hadu sau beje kan mau te balai chokidar don ar post chokidar kelas 10 pass khasan hajar sibnai te sweeper kawai kaner kelas 10 pass khasan hajar sibnai te kitu ki bakwa ban apply kan mau ban pandap ye detail baro ha standard form jong phi submit lang bat ki document me zarok mo submit lang with document select hapo ka district and session judge court Shillong ka bajan don hapo office DC po Shillong. The instruction hangne candidate are submit that their duly filled in application in standard form along with their requisite document of educational qualification. The you don't give them tip kiwala pass class 10 phap submit ka class 10 submit ki certificate ka mark sheet ka SCST ba certificate ai ki baron kam kita phap submit ba kita hap submit lang kita. SCST mta ter hap submit lang kita. Application not fulfilling the above requisite criteria will be summarily rejected. Shubu kiba apply namtaka LDA phimdon yaka computer course mudba la sha reject bay. Ki apply yaka stenographer phimdon yaka diploma in stenographer phin sha reject bay. Kanma khai kata no call letter will be issued. Kinam I call letter namarba kan koloi kane kane direct interview mo kane sngabha. List of candidate eligible for the work interview will be notified in the official website. Second mau ban check na po official website nga sabu po description ru. Angkumno https://shillong.decode.gov.in Sakan mau bhai kanega website on the 25th September 2020 Sin submit RFR tarik kin sapenmi bedai ki candidate ki list of candidate beda haka arpusan trik September arjar fly sakan mau ban check pok website. The date and place of interview will also be notified in the official website. Ye ka tarik wadya ka jaka ban penlong ik interview kin sapentik di official website hakane ka ju hi website sakan mau ban check kinom khot ko letar revi. Therefore, candidates are instructed to check the website. Kan mau ban check the website lada phikwa ban apply kane lada philalik submit. Shortlisted candidates should bring their original documents and ID proof at the time of interview. Tang kapol interview finra iki original. Report submit beda submit the zero copies. No TADA, no application fees is to be paid. Non kam CVA, non kam CVA mau kan long free batch submit the document jong pi. Submit the document jong pi ki bron kam maro te tang kita hi te saap pada hak arp santri kin sapen mi beda ki list of eligible candidate nam ta kini ki post santali ni ki post pi apply ka sweeper ne chokidar ne LDA ne pi apply ka stenographer. Kan mau lasai ka de ka sngi ban shim ban accept ya ki application ki jong pi lasai ka sngi mau ki bakwa ban apply select lasai pen biang ki application jong pi instant form ki document baro te ka tarik interview beda ki sapen tip te tang kini ki jong pi ngat try pi lasai te yo don ki bong ba la pen tip khamslam nomor kane kapen mi arpo tarik janmit te nganang yo tang mentahi nganang yo pentip te kadang nang yo pentip mentahi nomor ba kisim tang lasai hi ban receive ki application ki jong pi dan marba kane kan debate direct interview mo amdan exam amdan AI margde contractual ta kadang kin sim shwa ki application khnang ban suk ki nomor ba kan jenjar ba lada ki sukhot direct bai hakatu kasi ban long interview te ki sim shwa application te ba reject kan reject no ki ba khot ki sa sukhot is pen bai ka tarik kan ada bon palat kin sa pen bai ket kum kisngi ada duna kan pen long tang sisngi kum ta ter ter. Itang kini jumpa ngat try fil asai nam ta kane. Kule juan.